What if your keyboard could unlock a new speed, precision, and comfort level? Whether you're a pro gamer or a dedicated typist, the right mechanical keyboard can transform your experience. Stay tuned to discover the top 15 game-changing picks. Number 15. Keychron K2He. Meet the Keychron K2He, an innovative mechanical keyboard designed for those who demand precision and customization. Featuring Gateron Nebula double-rail Hall-effect switches, this keyboard delivers an ultra-responsive typing experience with adjustable actuation points. The compact design, combined with a durable build and ergonomic typing angles, makes it perfect for both gaming and productivity. Plus, its silicone and foam dampening ensure a satisfying sound with every keystroke. If versatility and comfort matter, the K2He is a solid contender. Number 14. Ergonomic TH80 Pro. A keyboard that blends customization, versatility, and premium feel meets the Ergonomic TH80 Pro. With per-key RGB lighting, hot swappable switches, and a responsive volume knob, it delivers a smooth typing and gaming experience. Whether you prefer wired, Bluetooth, or 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity, this board adapts seamlessly to any setup. Its sturdy build, combined with a compact 75% layout, makes it both functional and stylish. If you're after a mechanical keyboard that balances performance and aesthetics, the TH80 Pro is a solid contender. Number 13. Glorious GNMK. When customization meets performance, you get the glorious GNMK, a keyboard built for those who demand control. This hot swappable masterpiece lets you swap switches effortlessly, tailoring your typing or gaming experience to perfection. With per-key RGB lighting, a sleek aluminum frame, and full modularity, it's designed for both aesthetics and adaptability. Whether you prefer linear, tactile, or clicky switches, the GNMK gives you the freedom to choose. It's a premium pick for gamers and typists who want flexibility without sacrificing responsiveness. Number 12. Code V3 Mechanical Keyboard. Silent, efficient, and built for precision, the Code V3 Mechanical Keyboard is a dream for serious typists. With its minimalist design and ultra-responsive cherry anise switches, every keystroke feels smooth and effortless. The white LED backlighting ensures visibility without distraction, while the sturdy construction guarantees durability. Unlike flashy gaming keyboards, the Code V3 prioritizes function over form, making it a top choice for professionals who demand reliability. Whether you're coding, writing, or handling spreadsheets, this keyboard delivers a seamless typing experience with no compromises. Number 11. CM Storm Quickfire Rapid. Compact, powerful, and built for precision, the CM Storm Quickfire Rapid is a dream for gamers and typists who crave speed. This tankless keyboard delivers ultra-responsive keystrokes with minimal resistance. Its solid build and detachable cable make it perfect for those who need a reliable, no-nonsense setup. Whether executing fast in-game commands or typing at lightning speed, this keyboard ensures every keystroke counts. A true blend of durability and performance, it's a favorite among competitive players and productivity enthusiasts alike. Number 10. Keychron K6. Compact, powerful, and wireless, the Keychron K6 is a dream for those who need versatility without sacrificing performance. With its 75% layout, this keyboard saves desk space while still packing hot swappable switches for customization. Its Bluetooth connectivity allows seamless switching between up to 3 devices, making it ideal for gamers and professionals alike. The RGB backlighting enhances aesthetics, while the solid battery life keeps you going for days. Whether you're typing reports or battling in-game, the Keychron K6 delivers a responsive and satisfying experience every time. Number 9. DAS Keyboard for Professional. Precision meets performance with the DAS Keyboard for Professional, a dream tool for serious typists and professionals. Built with cherry MSA switches, this keyboard delivers a tactile, responsive feel that enhances both speed and accuracy. Its sleek aluminum frame exudes durability, while dedicated media controls and a convenient USB 3.0 hub add functionality. The volume knob offers effortless sound control, making multitasking seamless. Whether you're crafting reports or coding for hours, this keyboard ensures every keystroke feels satisfying and precise. A must-have for efficiency and comfort. Number 8. HyperX Alloy Elite 2. If you're looking for a mechanical keyboard that delivers performance with style, the HyperX Alloy Elite 2 has you covered. Its HyperX red key switches offer smooth, fast actuation, perfect for both gaming and typing. With stunning customizable RGB lighting and dedicated media controls, this keyboard stands out in any setup. Plus, its durable steel frame and comfortable wrist rest ensure you stay comfortable during long sessions. Whether you're playing or typing, the Alloy Elite 2 combines quality, performance, and aesthetics seamlessly. Number 7. Corsair K95 RGB Platinum XT. When precision and performance matter, the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum XT stands out. With its Cherry MX switches and customizable RGB lighting, this keyboard offers a premium feel for both gamers and typists. The programmable macro keys give you a competitive edge, while the brushed aluminum frame ensures durability. A detachable wrist rest adds comfort during long sessions, making it a top contender for anyone serious about their setup. Whether you're gaming or typing, this keyboard delivers unparalleled responsiveness and style. Number 6. Ducky 1-2 Mini. When it comes to compact powerhouses, the Ducky 1-2 Mini stands out. This 60% layout keyboard packs all the performance you need while saving desk space. Equipped with Cherry MX switches, it offers precise keystrokes for both gaming and typing. The customizable RGB lighting and detachable USB-C cable make it not only functional but stylish. If you're looking for portability without compromising on quality, the Ducky 1-2 Mini is a solid choice for any enthusiast who values both form and function. Number 5. Logitech G Pro X Keyboard. The Logitech G Pro X is a game-changer, offering precision and customization that top-tier gamers crave. With its hot swappable switches, you can easily tailor your experience without the need for soldering, making it perfect for both beginners and pros. The GX key switches provide a responsive feel, and the compact portable design ensures you're always ready for action. Plus, with customizable RGB lighting and a detachable USB-C cable, this keyboard combines style, performance, and flexibility, all packed into one high-performance device. Number 4. Razer Black Widow Elite. The Razer Black Widow Elite is the ultimate choice for gamers and typists who crave precision and customization. With its Razer green switches, each keystroke is met with a satisfying click and tactile feedback. The customizable RGB backlighting adds a stunning visual element, while dedicated media controls let you manage your experience seamlessly. Its comfortable magnetic wrist rest ensures long-lasting comfort, making it a standout option for those serious about both performance and style. It's everything you need in one high-performance keyboard. Number 3. SteelSeries Apex Pro. Experience a keyboard that adapts to your every move. The SteelSeries Apex Pro features omni-point adjustable switches, letting you fine-tune the actuation to your exact preferences for both gaming and typing. With per-key RGB lighting and a durable aluminum frame, this keyboard isn't just built for performance, it's designed for aesthetics too. Whether you're diving into a high-stakes game or typing up an important project, the Apex Pro gives you control like never before, making it a top contender in the mechanical keyboard world. Number 2. Keychron V3. The Keychron V3 offers an impressive balance of performance and aesthetics, making it a top contender for both gamers and typists. Its sleek, 10-keyless design saves space while still providing a satisfying typing experience. With hot swappable switches, you can easily customize the feel of every key, ensuring it's perfectly suited to your style. The vibrant RGB backlighting and sturdy build complete the package, offering great value without compromising on quality or features. If you're looking for versatility and efficiency, the Keychron V3 stands out. Number 1. Corsair K70 Pro. If you're looking for a keyboard that blends precision and durability, the Corsair K70 Pro is an absolute game changer. With its cherry MS switches, this mechanical beauty delivers lightning-fast response times and a satisfying tactile feel. The aircraft-grade aluminum frame ensures it can withstand intense gaming sessions, while the dynamic RGB lighting creates a visually stunning setup. Whether you're typing or gaming, this keyboard offers unbeatable performance and comfort, making it a must-have for both enthusiasts and professionals alike. The Corsair K70 Pro is the ultimate tool for elevating your gaming and typing experience. Thank you for watching. If you want more videos like this, like the video and hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video.